Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to change Hyundai Sonata headlight bulb. Open the hood, locate the headlight assembly, and remove any plastic covers blocking access. Identify the bulb socket and check surrounding wiring for damage. Keep a soft cloth handy to protect painted surfaces while you work. Have the replacement bulb and tools ready before removing the old bulb to speed the process and avoid burning fingers. Start by ensuring the ignition and headlights are off to avoid shocks or hot bulbs. Reach behind the headlight assembly and press the wiring connector tab to unplug it, then twist the bulb socket counterclockwise to release. Gently pull the old bulb straight out without touching the glass portion. Inspect the socket for corrosion and clean as needed, then compare the old bulb to the replacement to confirm correct type and fit. Grab the new bulb by the plastic or metal base and avoid touching the glass to prevent oil spots that shorten bulb life. Align the bulb tabs with the socket slots, insert gently, and twist clockwise until it seats securely. Reattach the wiring connector and reconnect the battery if you disconnected it earlier. Turn on the headlights to confirm proper beam pattern and brightness, and adjust aim if necessary before reassembling covers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.